Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here at Deep River Landing, a few towns away from our home in Killingworth. And I'm here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. I've been inspired by the seagulls uh, landing, flying, taking brief flight, landing again, pestering each other, landing again, flying briefly. And it kind of made me think how they settle down and they seem oriented to the wind so as not to ruffle their feathers when they land. But then any perturbation, like a person walks by, another seagull bothers them, the wind shifts, they seem perfectly at ease just taking to the skies, maybe even very briefly and then landing again. And I was kind of thinking, in our form, we have these named postures, like these particular things have names. And then we have the stuff that happens between the names. And I kind of thought like the names are something that we settle on, we rest in, we know, we're familiar, things that are measurable and recognizable. And then we immediately leave them in the form, right? We finally build single whip and then we leave it just as soon as we leave as anything else. So I just thought it might be a nice practice to practice with that inspiration of feeling settled on the earth at the moment that you know that you have a name for a thing, like the posture, and then readily take flight, right? So feeling comfortable and ready and adaptable to move with the winds or the whims the moment that it's appropriate to do so. And then a moment or two later, you'll be in another named move. Take root, settle in, and enjoy that. So thank you very much, and take inspiration from nature and take inspiration from your teacher's nurturing.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.